Hello friends, welcome back to GK Malayalam. This video is consisted of questions and answers of Bamboo Day quiz. First question is, when is World Bamboo Day? Answer, September 18. World Bamboo Day is celebrated by which organization? World Bamboo Organization. What is the scientific name of bamboo? Babusa bombast. Which Indian state hosted the world's first Bamboo Day? Answer, Nagaland. The fastest growing plant? Answer, bamboo. Where is the birthplace of bamboo? Answer, India. Which is the largest herbaceous plant? Answer, bamboo. At which conference in 2009 was it decided to celebrate World Bamboo Day? Bangkok. Which is the oldest bamboo musical instrument? Answer, flute. In which year was the National Bamboo Mission established in India? In 2006. Which plant is capable of absorbing most carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen? Answer, bamboo. Which country is the largest producer of bamboo? Answer, China. Which plant is also known as my brother in Vietnam? Answer, bamboo. What are the main types of bamboo genera? What are they? Answer, divided into three: Bambusa, Dendrocalamus, Thyrosostachys. Which is the only continent in the world where bamboo species do not grow? Answer, Antarctica. In which country is bamboo described as man's friend? Answer, China. Which plant is also known as king of grass? Answer, bamboo. From what is the musical instrument Mazhamuli being made? Answer, bamboo. What is the lifespan of bamboo? Answer, 120 years. Which plant is described by Indians as wood of the poor? Answer, bamboo. In which country is bamboo the national tree? Answer, Vietnam. Which is the largest bamboo species in the world? Example, dragon bamboo. What are the medicinal parts of bamboo? Sprouts, roots, buds. Which country is a leading manufacturer of bamboo products? Answer, China. Which species of bamboo is commonly found? Answer is ladder bamboo. Which Indian state is famous for its bamboo dance? Answer is Mizoram. Which is the smallest species of bamboo? Answer, Ochlandra. Which district in Kerala holds the Guinness World Record for having the longest bamboo in the world in 1989? Answer, bamboo at Pattari in Kollam. Which creature uses bamboo stalks, leaves and stems as its main food? Answer is giant panda. By what name is the field of study of grass species is known? Answer, agrostology. Which country is the second largest producer of bamboo? Answer is India. Which country is the third largest producer of bamboo? Answer, Japan. Which country is the largest exporter of bamboo in the world? Answer is China. How many species of bamboo are there in the world? About 1,250 varieties of bamboo in 75 categories. Which species of bamboo is also known as yellow bamboo? Answer is Bambusa vulgaris. What is known as green gold? Example, bamboo. In which year was the International Bamboo Association founded? Answer is 1992. Which is the largest bamboo species? Answer, dragon bamboo. Which species of bamboo blooms only once in 120 years? Answer is Philostachys bambusides. Thank you.